Hello everyone, welcome back to TurboSide Tech. Kylone version 3.8.4 is here. Now we can use bulk operations to manage all the channels at once.
Let's see how it works. Step 1. Go to the live stream section.
In Advanced Settings page, click on Bulk Operations.
Step 2. Search for the channels we need to process.
View the results. All search channels will list right here. Step 3. Select the channels and apply the profile settings. Okay, all 6 channels now use the exact same profile. Need a different profile? Just select them again and change it to another one instantly. Finally, commit all the changes. If you have any issues, send an email to support@tbsdtv.com.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and product updates from TBS.